Changing security settings on your Visible account is essential for protecting your personal information and managing your privacy. Follow these steps to adjust your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Visible website or open the Visible app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Settings section. Click on it to find the Security Settings option, which will allow you to manage your security preferences. Step 3. Update password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication to FA. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or an authentication app, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Step 5. Review account activity. Finally, check the account activity section to review any recent logins or changes made to your account. If you notice any suspicious activity, take immediate action to secure your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Visible account and protect your personal information. Regularly reviewing and updating your security settings is a good practice for maintaining your online safety.